What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the all-new BMW X3 M50. Now, as you might know, we are currently also running a tuning shop for BMWs, and we do parts, we do software. And this client, Alberto, came to us. He's a viewer from ours, and he bought this beautiful blue X3 M50, and he said, can you do any upgrades? And well, our response was, sure we can, but the ECU is still locked, so not even Femto or other parties can access the ECU, so we cannot do any ECU tuning. What we can do though is a very convenient solution, which is RaceChip. So this is just an external box that manipulates information going into the ECU, and that way they externally tune it. So it's a very easy installation. It's just two connectors that hook up to the new B58.3. So this is the latest version of BMW's legendary straight six turbo engine, 3 liter. We have the stock numbers right here, and this is with the RaceChip claim. So sounds too good to be true, right? So what we're going to do today is test it. So we have it fitted. As I said, a very easy installation. You operate it through your phone. We're also going to put it on a dyno. So we're going to performance test it, and we're going to power test it. So we're going to check the power output, and we're going to check what that does with the performance right now on the Autobahn. So I'm going to turn it off, tuning deactivated. And we're going to do some acceleration tests. So let's start her up. Put the car into sport mode, gearbox in sport mode, and let's see what she will do. 0 to 100, 100 to 200, quarter mile, stuff like that. So, tuning off, stock software. Pretty decent numbers, quite good for such a large car. Let's do one more 100 to 200, see if we can improve on that number. 13.47 to beat. With launch control, and that's something we see quite a lot. So the software sort of pushes everything gearbox engine when you're in launch control mode, and that's not only the launch itself, but as long as you have full throttle after launch, it's always just a little extra on the shifting and stuff like that. And we have 3 modes, so Eco, Sport, Race. You can just set them to your liking. So it's the amount of extra boost that's given, 1 to 7, and you have these 3 pre-settings. So Race, of course, I've set to 7. You can set that to your liking. So in race mode, I can definitely feel that extra shove, especially down low, and that's 12.38, 1.6 seconds quicker. That's a good result. Now, important to note is that we are currently running 98 RON fuel. So yeah, the power would be even better, the performance would be even better if we would have used 102.
60, 100, quarter mile, 200.
But in most countries around 98 is available, so we thought we should do this video with 98 instead of 102. So I expect the RaceChip claimed power to be with 102 fuel, which explains why we're not entirely reaching the claimed performance or the claimed gains by RaceChip, but we had a very strict dyno, and it's the dyno from Berg Performance. So on 98 RON we had over 50 horsepower extra and about 70 Newton meters, which is just a lovely amount with such an easy solution. Oh, you can really feel it. So especially when it upshifts, you get in that mid-range of that B58. And there's where you have those massive gains, and it's really powerful. You can feel that torque. So I think for such an easy plug and play solution, an awesome result. Really, it drives really well. You don't have any weird hiccups. I didn't get any error messages, stuff like that. It's a very well engineered product. Well, of course, RaceChip is one of the, if not the biggest worldwide when it comes to these external ECU solutions. And yeah, we've been loving their product for years now. We've tested a lot of their cars critically, and the development that they have gotten over the years is really impressive. I mean, it was an impressive product at first, but the level they're at right now, really, really good. Also the installation, it comes with an OBD device that you just plug into your OBD port, and you have the entire installation mainly through your phone. It checks if you've done the installation right through the OBD port. Clever stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you at the next video. And if you want a RaceChip for your BMW and you want us to help you out, go hit us up through Instagram or use the WhatsApp button on the website. Thanks guys, bye.